Do you want to control your HackRF with or without PortaPack from your computer and even chat with it? Then you are at the right place. Superbasic Studio developed a powerhouse, Fresh Mayhem, and this is not only super guide where you have all the details about functionalities, application for your HackRF and PortaPack, details about frequencies, etc. available on a really detailed website. What I want to show you here is about the desktop companion. And here it's only available at the moment on Linux. But wait, application will be available for macOS and Windows later. And what is really interesting is the LLM capability. For this, you will need to have an instance of Ollama installed, or you could also connect to different providers. Now, let's start the application and I will show you more about that. We are at the heart of the Fresh Mayhem application, the chat. And here it will translate all your queries into HackRF commands to your HackRF. And for this, I'm using an H4M PortaPack. Then the first thing to do is to go in a menu and enable the HackRF only mode. That is done, and you could see in the screen it was a brief disconnection, meaning here the SDR is now connected. So I give like two conditions: the frequency I want to capture, so 433 megahertz, which is here like, let's say, a key fob, and the duration, and I press enter. You could see on top here the LLM I'm using, and now I have the result. So like any other application like the Wi-Fi Pineapple, you have a loot folder. You could go in loot and see what we have here. So we have several things: CSV files containing like the commands, also the output, and for capture when there is available the data capture in IQ format. So here, for instance, you could either open a new chat and make queries, or view even with the spectrum analyzer, and the output when you open a new chat about a capture you made. There is something I want to mention here. When you open a capture with the chat, you have always a tell me about, that sweep, that capture, and depending on your hardware, on the model you're using, and the capture, that might take a while. And for me and my instance, I often have timeout. So I'm not sure if it's misconfiguration or the quality of the signal, but sometimes the results are not showing and I need to redo my capture, etc. So like here, Ollama isn't running, which is not true, but well, I think there is a bottleneck somewhere and I need to investigate. I'm curious to see new iteration and maybe use case you have. So let me know in a comment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.